Okay, for the last part, hopefully it will be the last one. You may want to make some few fine tuning of the design, such as the fillets. You might change the amount of fillet, and you can, for example, if you disable this one, you can make sure that the bolts are right fit on the mounting holes. It's the same for all the bolts, and other fine adjustments, but currently it's all functioning now. Okay, so for the last part, for our coursework, we are going to add a presentation file. Go to new presentation. Alright, we'll search for it. It's in the desktop. Alright, we'll choose our assembly file, go for the home position, then we're going for tweak components, and we start by dragging each component. To select more than one, hold Control and click on each component you want to select and drag them out. In Inventor 2018 there is no option for auto explode, so you'll have to do them manually. Deselect this. Alright, while doing this step, make sure that you don't make any component overlap the other, and try to do it from the save. Okay, and try to do it always from the home view, and always give enough space for each component. We don't want the animation. The only thing we need from this is to take an capture camera, and we create a drawing view. So tweak component, we'll do the same for all the components, the whole design. Tweak component. Okay, we need to keep them in a different set. Alright, so we'll do this for the whole design. I will pause the recording for now and unpause it once it's finished. Alright, so here we have a mistake. We need to drag this one alone. Alright, only the cover alone. Alright, so I will unpause the recording. Pause the recording. Alright, so after finishing the tweaking components, and we get them in a nice view, nice exploded view, we go for capture camera. Alright, make sure it's in the home position. Then we go in new snapshot view, which is this one. Then we go for right click on it and create a drawing view. Alright, we'll choose standard.idw, click OK. So now we'll have our, make sure we'll make it shaded, and we'll give it a name, exploded view. Alright, the scale, we'll make it 1 to 2, not 2 to 1, 1 to 2. It's a little bit big. We'll keep it 1 by 4. Click OK. We'll move it to the side. After that, we can click on base. We browse for our file, assembly file. It's in the desktop, 3D model, gearbox assembly, and click open. And we click OK. We place it over here. Right click on it. Edit view. We'll make it shaded. We can change the scale 1 by 2. Alright, we'll give this as the front view, as it is identified by the cube. We can change it, I believe. Yes, we can change the view. We can take this one as front view. Alright, click OK, and then you can project it. And no, we don't want it to be like this. but we right click and click create, so we have them created. Now we can edit from here, edit view. We can keep it as front and click OK. So the following will be updated. OK. Alright, now we will do for the section view. We'll choose this part to be sectioned and section it from the center. Click on it, then right click, continue. Alright, so this is the sectioned view. We have it over here. We can right click, edit view, and increase the scale. In case we put it 1 by 1, it seems a little bit big. Yes, too big. Okay, we'll move this a little bit down. Alright, so this is it. We have our exploded view, we have the projections, and we'll save it. Save. Yes to all. And okay. So we'll go back to our folder. This is it. Yeah, the same. No. Yeah, okay, 3D model, yes. Alright, so this is the coursework. We have the design, the sheet, and the gearbox, and the assembly. Alright. One more thing, we can go to annotate. You can insert annotations. You can add the part list. You can select document here for this one, for the parts only, either numeric or alpha. Click OK. Click OK, no problem. We place it over here. So this is our part list. You can later on adjust the scale, the dimension. So you can adjust the view and have a place for the part list. So we have our part list over here. Alright, so it sets all the parts that we are using. Alright, and if you want to add text and balloons, you can simply click on each part and then you will have it. Okay, each click, normal click, will give it a path, or simply click it, then right click and continue. So Ctrl Z, do it again, click on it. Alright, continue, and as you can see, it will give you the number 2, which is this one, item number 2, case cover. It's automatically identified. So part number 2, item number 2. There you can see that here we have some problem. It's like if it's been eaten or cracked, so you'll have to go back and check into our design. But for now, this is what we have to do for our coursework. Scale this and move it a little bit up. So that's it. We'll have just to add the balloons for each part that you need to identify. This is number 15, which is this one, and the text for the front view and left view. Front view. Click OK. Then you can change the text and the size of the label. Alright. Should change 0.5. Okay. Delete again. We'll try it again one more time. Text over here. Unless we're constrained in the size. Okay, I didn't write anything. 0.5 front. Alright, so it's bigger now. Front view, okay. Escape, now we can move it. So retrieve model indentation. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If anything else I forgot to mention, or anything you find is missed or you want to mention or add, please mention it in the comments or discuss it with us in the class. Alright, thank you everyone.